Hello, so this is my video resource on the hyperbolic paraboloid. Um, so as you can see here, I have my hyperbolic paraboloid. A hyperbolic paraboloid is a singly ruled surface, so it is a surface that can be generated using straight lines. This one here, now it is a low saddle type, so for example, if that means there's not a big distance between the two low points here and the top of the parabola, and if you rotate it the other way, there's not a big distance between this area here and the top of the parabola. Um, so before we get into it, I'm just going to bring up the textbook here so we can see that it is a singly ruled surface. So you can have straight line draw through it which lies on the surface. And basically how you get a hyperbolic paraboloid is you translate a parabola with a downward curvature, as you see here, along a parabola with an upward curvature. So this is what this diagram here shows. And if we go back to my one that I've prepared, we can see this here. So this is the downward parabola, and it is translated along the upward parabola. And if we look at it from down, this is what we mean when we say that is generated using straight lines. So any of these are on the actual parabola. They are generated from this side here to this side here. So I divided up this line and into equal number of spaces as this line and translated the points across and did the same for these two sides here. And the more times you divide it up, the more pronounced your curve is going to be. So if I only had 2 or 3 lines going from each side to each side, this wouldn't be very clear, but because I have multiple lines, that makes it that bit clearer to visualize.